Hi, this is Nate, and today I'm doing a quick review of Nature's Garden, A Guide to Identifying, Harvesting, and Preparing Edible Wild Plants by Samuel Thayer. Sam Thayer is my favorite foraging author, and this is my favorite foraging book. Earlier I reviewed The Forager's Harvest, his first book, and said that I liked it, but my only critique was that some of the plants weren't as common and didn't grow in as wider range of ecosystems as might have been nice, and that one's still a great book. But in this one, he has at least as good a quality of book as Forager's Harvest, only a lot more of the plants are widespread and easy to find. The amount of detail that he goes into is amazing. I would pay the price of this book simply for his 50-page chapter on acorns. Other books cover acorns, but he dispels a lot of myths in those other books, and goes into great detail, and then covers a huge array of other really useful plants, and just does it a lot of detail, great pictures, really useful book. This one wasn't my first foraging book, but when I got this one, I felt like it really started to help me not just know about individual plants, but kind of get a better understanding of the field in general. Okay, thanks for watching.